Mitra, unmute yourself and read, ma.
Atwood.
Hmm.
Atwood.
Hmm.
B at bat.
Hmm.
K at cat.
Hmm.
H at hat.
Hmm.
At fat.
Hmm.
M at mat.
Hmm.
P at pat.
Hmm.
R at rat.
Yeah, good morning, Dashwan. Very good. Well done. Dashwan, come on, read these add words. Add words, come on.
Read பண்ணு. Read பண்ணு. இல்ல நீ மத்ததெல்லாம் ரீட் பண்ணு. நீ ரீட் பண்ணிரு.
Good morning, Makesha.
ரீட் பண்ணு. Bat இல்ல.
B at bat. B separately, B sound separately and AT separately. Okay? Come on.
Bat.
Next one. C at cat.
At bat.
Hmm.
At hat.
Hmm.
ஒரே சொல்லு. At fat.
Let him try. அவனே முயற்சி பண்ணட்டும் இருங்க. Come on, ma. That's one. Next one. What is the phonic sound of M? M ஓட phonic sound என்னது?
M ஓட phonic sound என்னது?
M ஓட phonic sound என்னதுமா? At at என்னது? Mat. Next one. What is the phonic sound of P?
என்னது? P ஓட phonic sound என்னது?
P at சேர்த்தா என்ன வரும்? Pat. P at pat. Next one. R. What is the phonic sound of R?
R போட்டுருக்கா? R ஓட phonic sound என்னது?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vihan.
Arab.
At.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Karuneshwar.
Rat.
At rat.
நீனா சொல்லு.
Next one. Yes, next.
அடுத்து sat போட்டுருக்கா? S போட்டுருக்கா? S போட்டுருக்கா? அப்ப S ஓட phonic sound. Sir at sat. Sat.
இது பொறுமையா நீங்க சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும். இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இனிஷியல் சவுண்ட் தனியா சொல்லணும், ஆட் தனியா சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும். யாரு தர்ஷன் டேடா? நீங்க தர்ஷன் அப்பாவா?
இல்ல பிரதர்.
பிரதர். போனிக்ஸ் தனித்தனியா பிளெண்ட் பண்ணணும். நீங்க சொல்றத வச்சு அவன் அப்படியே சொல்றான். அப்புறம் வேர்ட்ஸ் எப்படி படிப்பாங்க? ஸோ அதனால தனித்தனியா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டரோட போனிக் சவுண்ட் தனியா சொல்லணும், ஆட் தனியா சொல்லலாம். அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும் நீங்க ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கும்போது. ஓகேங்களா? Okay. Next is Keshav.
It's bad.
Come on, read it, Keshav.
Bad. Bad. Sika and
Good. Fat. Next. Mat. Very good, Keshav. Next. Hmm? This is at.
Yes.
Rat. Next. Huh? Sat. Very good, Keshav. Next is Taruneshwar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Varsha. Taruneshwar. This is at. Rat. Next one. Hmm. 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 At bat எப்படி வரும்? At pat. Okay, very good. Thank you, Mataruneshwar. Children, stand up, all of you. We'll start the session, children. Come on. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Varsha, kids anthem, Varsha. In Mitra, mute yourself, ma. Yes, good morning. Why Mitra? Varsha is saying kids anthem today, right? Yes, good morning to everyone. Keep standing for the warm-up activity. Yes, good morning, ma. Radhyani.
என்ன சவுண்ட் வரல சவுண்ட் வரல
சவுண்ட் வரலையா? மேம் ஆஃப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க மைக்கு.
time, stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp. Like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp. Like an elephant. Stop. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump. Like a kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap, like a crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, come on, it's almost time. Stop. Well done, children. All of you, come on, go drink one glass of water and come back. Dashwan. Dashwan. Okay, marking you, Dashwan. Hazel.
She went to the restroom, ma'am.
Okay. Jason.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Radhyani.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radhyani. Rudwin.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Rudwin. Sarah.
Very good.
Very good. Sarah.
Very good, Sarah.
Very good, Sarah. Good morning. Here I am.
Here I
Very good.
am.
Next. Ananya. Ananya is absent. Sukrit Gautam. Sukrit Gautam. Is also absent. Disha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Disha. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Is also absent. Huh? Mahirni. Mitra.
Here I am, Manila, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. 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 Is I marking with Tarunesh? Yeah, very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
Here I am.
Very good, Vihan.
This, Mama.
Children, today we are going to learn a new concept. Before that, we'll finish with our rhymes, okay? So the first rhyme is oh where, okay? Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where can he be? Okay, and our next rhyme is under a web. Okay, under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are eight. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. Six black furry legs has she. Okay, and the next time, Incy Wincy Spider. Okay, Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay, so these are the three rhymes. Today I want all of you to record an audio of over rhyme and send it to me. Only over. Next we'll record an audio of under a web. Okay, today only you are going to send the audio of over rhyme. Okay, all of you should send it today in the group. Okay, children. So next we are going to learn about a new concept. Okay, so far we have learned farm animals, wild animals, marine animals, and then reptiles, amphibian, and then extinct animals. So we have learned about all these animals. Today we are going to learn about birds. Okay, so what are all the birds you know? Do you know any birds, children? Birds na another paravai, yeah? Do you know any birds? Name any birds. Peacock, very good.
Peacock.
Yeah, peacock. Then,
No.
hmm, parrot, very good. Crow, very good. Okay, very good. So all these birds you know. Very good. Hen is also a bird. Very good. Here, children, we are going to see some of the birds here. So what you know about the birds is they can fly in the sky. They do not walk on the ground like normal animals. They fly in the sky using their wings. What do they have? For flying, what do they use? Wings. Wings na another rekke. They have wings right now. All of you fly like this. Come on, wave your hands like this. Like this only the birds used to wave their wings and fly up in the sky. Okay. Farm animals have wings. Farm animals, wild animals have wings. Yes or no? Wings irka farm animals, wild animals. Class? No, wings கிடையாது. Only birds and some insects have wings to fly. Okay, so here are some birds you are going to see. That is, first one is sparrow. Sparrow. Okay, what is this? You all know what bird is this?
Cock.
Peacock. Very good, Visha. Peacock. Next, what is this bird?
Eagle.
Eagle. Very good, Keshav. Eagle. What is this bird?
Flamingo.
Very good, Jason. Flamingo. Very good. And then what is this bird? Parrot. And the next one. Parrot is green in color, but the colorful bird that is next to it is a parakeet. Okay, parrot, parakeet, they look alike, but the color only differs, children. Okay, parakeet, parrot. Next, what bird is this? Owl. See the eyes of the owl, how big it is? Owl. Next, do you know what bird is this?
Fish.
Kingfisher. Very good. Kingfisher. Yes, you can see the beak, how strong it is. Kingfisher. Next, this is we can see in our flat and all. Pigeon. It is not a dove. Dove is white in color. This is pigeon. 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 Yeah, good morning, Kavi Kartika. Pigeon. And next is vulture. Vulture. Okay, vulture is very dangerous, but you can see how big it is, vulture. And then crane. The crane. And what is this? Woodpecker, not woodcutter. It is woodpecker. Why do we call it as woodpecker? Because it will draw hole in the tree and live inside that hole. Woodpecker. You can see how it is pecking out the wood, right? Woodpecker. Okay. This is woodpecker. Next we are going to see some flightless birds. So all these time ma'am said that birds only can fly. But there are few birds that cannot fly. ஒரு சில birds பறக்கவே முடியாது. Okay, all the birds can fly, but there are few birds. ஒரு சில birds they cannot fly and they are called as flightless birds. What do we call them? Flightless birds. Flightlessனா என்னது? பறக்க முடியாதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Flightless birds. Okay, so let's see what are the flightless birds. See here, penguin. Have you seen penguin flying? It will just walk. That's all. It will not fly. And then next is kiwi. Have you heard of this name kiwi? யாராவது கிவின்னு கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? கிவின்னு ஒரு fruit கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? So this is a bird. That is a fruit. And this is a bird. It also cannot fly. Okay? Yeah, fruit. This is a bird, but it cannot fly. Flightless bird. Penguin, kiwi. And next is, can you identify what bird is this? Ostrich. Very good. It has a long neck and it is a very big bird. Since it is very big, it cannot fly. Okay, பெருசா இருக்கிறதுனாலே அதால பறக்க முடியாது. You know, other birds are very light. Their body is very light, so they can fly high in the sky. But these birds are very heavy. ரொம்ப ஹெவியா இருக்கிறதுனால they cannot fly. Ostrich and emu. Ostrich, emu. This is ostrich. It can run very fast. And this is emu. Yes, emu are bred for their flesh and eggs. Okay, emu. So these four birds are flightless birds. So what are the flightless birds? யாராவது flightless birdனா என்னது அப்படின்னு கேட்டா என்ன சொல்வீங்க? Flightless birdனா they cannot fly. The birds that cannot fly are called as flightless birds. So these are the flightless birds. First one is penguin. Second one is kiwi. Yeah, very good, Mavihan. Second one is kiwi. Third one is ostrich. And the fourth one is emu. Okay, so these four are the flightless birds. So once again, we'll have a recap of ordinary birds. These are woodpecker, crane, vulture, pigeon, kingfisher, owl, parrot, parakeet, flamingo, eagle, peacock, sparrow. So all these are birds that can fly. Okay, and next we are going to see the parts of the bird, like how we have eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs and all. Likewise, birds also have all these parts. So first we are going to see the eyes. Let me show you another one. See here, this is the eye, children. Okay, here eye. See here, this is the eye. You have eyes, two eyes. Birds also have two eyes. Okay, and this is the head. This one is the head. And here you can see what is this? Beak. What is this? Beak. I want all of you to repeat after ma'am, children. Beak. We have mouth, no? But birds have beak. So through this beak only they will eat all those fruits and all, okay? Beak. And next is wings. Wings na another rekka. With those only they will fly. Wings. Next is the leg. See here, this is the leg. This is the leg. Here you have. This is the leg and this is the tail. Okay, this is the tail. So head. All of you touch the head of the bird. Where is the head of the bird? Not your head. Touch the head of the bird on the screen. Screen la touch pannunga. Where is the head of the bird? Yeah. Where is the eyes of the bird? E-Y-E-I. Next, where is the beak of the bird? Beak, beak. Beak of the bird. Touch the beak. This one. This orange part. Beak. Now, where is the tail of the bird? Tail. Here. Touch the tail of the bird. And next is legs. Where does the legs? Where are the legs of the bird? Legs. Very good. And then wings. Wings. Where is the wings of the bird? Touch the wings. Yes, very good, children. Now all of you take your worksheet. We'll finish off with the worksheet. Worksheet number is D78CT. D78CT. First we'll finish the parts of the birds. I think it will be in workbook number 3. Workbook number 2 also you have to keep it aside, children, because other worksheets will be in workbook number 2 only. But this parts of the body will be in workbook number 3, I think. D78CT. Let's write today's date. Today's date is 25-25-10-2121. Let's finish writing the date. Yes, now first we are going to mark the body parts of the bird one by one. We are going to number it, okay? So first number 1 is eyes. Where is the eyes of the bird? Mark it as number 1. Eyes of the bird, number 1. Number 2, beak. Number 2, beak. Beak is here. Beak. If you have doubts, look at the screen, children. Beak, number 2. And number 3 is head. Head. Number 4, wings. Wings. Number 5, tail. Tail feather of the bird, tail. Number 1, eyes. Number 2, beak. Number 3, head. Number 4, wings. And number 5, tail. Those who are finished can take workbook number 2. The worksheet number is D76CT. 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 Here you are going to circle the odd one out. What is odd one out? In the bird inga different and the bird you are going to circle. In each row you have a different bird. So the first row you have pigeon, woodpecker, pigeon, pigeon. All the birds are pigeon here, but only one woodpecker is there, so that is different one. Have to circle the woodpecker. Likewise, find out in each row which bird is different. Different na வித்தியாசமா இந்த bird இருக்கு. Like next row you have swan, 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 crane. All the 4 birds are not the swan. Only 3 swan is there, but the 4th one is not a swan. It is a crane. So that is the odd one. That is the different one. Third row you have a swan, woodpecker, woodpecker, woodpecker. Which is different? Third row which is different, children? Swan, woodpecker, woodpecker, woodpecker. Which is different? Which is different? Can anyone answer which is different?
Man.
Which one, ma?
Pinky.
Finished. I told you to answer, children. Come on. Which is different in this row? You have swan, woodpecker, woodpecker, woodpecker. Which is different? Huh? Swan. Very good. Okay. Next you have kingfisher, 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 eagle. Which is the different one?
Eagle.
Eagle. Very good, children. Eagle. Good. Okay, next you have eagle, kingfisher, eagle, eagle. Which is different?
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher. Very good, Radhyan. Kingfisher. Likewise, you have to circle, children. Finish. The next worksheet will be D75MT. Number 55 and 56 we have finished.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, that worksheet we'll do now. Max. Number 55 and 56. 5, 5, 55. 5, 6, 56. Count the group of tens, children. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And the ones 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 5, 5, 55. Spell and write, children. Then only you can recognize the numbers. When suddenly if anyone is asking you to write number 45, 32 and all, you should know how to write those numbers. That will happen only when you spell out and write. 5, 5, 55. Dashwan, right Dashwan, what are you doing? Take your workbook and write. D75MT. 5, 5, 55, 5, 6, 56.
Five, 56. 5, 6, 56.
Yes, ma. Finish. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Well done. Those are finished. I want you to take D77 LT. D77 LT.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, those who are finished, take worksheet number D77 LT. And write today's date.
Fish bag.
Very good, ma. D77 LT. Yes, take your colors also, children. You have 4 colors in this worksheet: purple, yellow, red, and green. So 4 colors we need: purple or violet, yellow, red, and green. Dark green is given here. If you don't have dark green, you can use light green also. And then start coloring according to the colors given here, children. So first is yes. Yes, you have to color it with purple or violet. If you don't have purple, you can use violet color. And then T, wherever you see the T, see here. See here, children. Take your purple color and color this S letter. See here, you have S here. Circle the whole flower with purple color. And then next you have T. This flower you'll be coloring it with yellow. And then U is red. This letter you will be coloring it with red. The whole flower will be coloring it with red. And V is the leaves. So these leaves you'll be coloring it with dark green or light green. According to the colors given there, you have to color, children. The whole flower you have to color.
ஏன்னா வெளியே தான் இருக்காங்க எப்படி அடுத்து தெரிய இருந்துச்சு
Finish. That's very good, ma. Very good. Those finished, take your slate, children. Those who are finished, yeah, those who are finished, take your slate.
சீக்கிரம் திருப்பிட்டாங்க.
Take your slate. Very good, Ma Kavi Kartika. Good. Those who are finished, take your slate, children. Slate and chalk piece. Rashwan, well and finished your worksheet.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Ma. Finished, everyone. Is there still anyone doing worksheet, coloring worksheet? Everyone has finished, huh? Okay, now come on, take your slate. Now, ma'am is going to dictate the numbers. You are going to write the number and show it to me. Okay? Yes, the first number is 12. 12. First you write, then ma'am will write. 12. Number 12. Write number 12, Rudwin. What you have written? Is it number 12? Very good, Jason. Rudwin's mom, check his number 2, how he has written. Checks போட்டு கொடுங்க. If you are having a plain slate, draw checks and give it to them. Let them write inside the checks.
Okay.
Yeah, very good, Bisha, Radhyarni, Keshav. Hazel, you are not having slate, Hazel. Very good, ma. Sarah, Taruneshwar, good. Number 12. So, how will you write number 12? 1, 2, 12. Okay. Next number. Okay, shall we move on to the next number? Next number is 17.
17.
Yeah, the correct mark. 17. As it is, எழுத சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க ருத்வின் அம்மா. செக்ஸ் வரைஞ்சி கொடுத்தாலும் எந்த செக்ஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்டோ அந்த செக்ஸ்ல தான் எழுதணும். randomly எல்லா செக்ஸ்லயும் எழுதக்கூடாது. And then number should be written like this. இல்ல அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு செக்ஸ் நீங்க விட்டுட்டீங்க பாருங்க, இனிஷியல் செக்ஸ். Children, everyone should write number like this. Don't write like this. Next is number 17. Very good, Visha. I saw Visha. Very good. Jason, good. Yes, very good, Mitra. 17. யாரும் சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க. அப்புறம் ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்றதுல பிரயோஜனமே கிடையாது. If you are teaching them everything, then what is the cause of doing the activity? Then how will you know how your children is very clear about the numbers or alphabet, whatever we are giving them? இதை எழுதுன்னுட்டீங்கன்னா ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல அங்க. They will only learn. பரவாயில்ல, அம்மா சொல்லிடுவாங்க, அப்பா சொல்லிடுவாங்கன்னு தான் நினைப்பாங்க. Please don't teach them. If it is wrong also, it's okay. Then only you will know. நம்ம பையனுக்கு 17 தெரியல, பொண்ணுக்கு 17 தெரியலன்னு உங்களுக்கு அப்பதான் தெரியும். Please don't teach them. கவி கார்த்திகா, உங்களுக்கு என்ன நம்பர் தெரியுமோ எழுதணும். யாரும் சொல்லி கொடுத்து எழுதக்கூடாது கவி கார்த்திகா. ஓகே, 17 நம்பர் எழுத தெரிஞ்சா எழுதுங்க. இல்லைன்னா மேம் ஐ டோன்ட் நோ, எனக்கு தெரியாதுன்னு சொல்லுங்க. மேம் will teach you. Number 17. Okay, now ma'am is also going to write 1, 7, 17. Yes, very good. Those have written it correctly. Next number is 25. 25. Very good, Sarah. 25. 25. Very good, Varsha. Varsha Vihan. Yes. Radhyarni, good. Taruneshwar, 25. Yes, good, Ma Hazel. Jason. Mitra. Hazel, good. 25. 25. 2, 5, 25. Very good, Manisha. 25. Okay, now the next number is 29. 29. 29. Very good, Hazel. Yeah, I saw, ma. 29. Yeah, good, Visha. Keshav. Mitra. Jason. 29. Radhyarni. Vihan. Rudvin. 29. So, how will you write 29? 2, 9, 29. Next is 33. 33. 33. 33. Very good, Maruti. 33. Yes, very good, Keshav. Visha. Jason. Good. 33. So, how will you write 33? 3, 3, 33. 3, 3, 33. Radhyarni, I have written 23, Radhyarni. I asked you to write 33. Paranga 3, 3, 33.
She's
But what you have
playing, ma'am.
written?
She's not at all listening.
2, 3, 23, ma. 3, 3, then 33. Come on, erase and write. 3, 3, 33. His next number is 36. 36.
Finish, ma'am.
36. Yeah, very good, ma. Varsha. 36. 36. Good, Visha. Hazel. Rudwin. Jason. Good. Varsha, good. 3, 6, 36. 3, 6, 36. Next number is 42. 42. 42. No, Hazel. 42.
Finish, ma'am.
42. 40. How will you recognize 40? 40, 40, right? So, 42. Very good, Varsha. 42. 42 is 4 to 42. 4 to 42. Yes, Mitra, finish. Very good, Mitra. Next is 48. Good. 48. 48. 40 அப்படினாலே 4ல தான் ஆரம்பிக்கும். 48.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. 48. Good. Good, Ridwin. Good, Makesha. Yes, Jason. Hazel. 48. Visha, very good. 48. Finish. Next number is 53. 53. 53.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. 53. Yes, very good, children. Now write number 10. 10. 10.
Finish, ma'am.
Next 20. 20. 1 0 10. 2 0 20. 3 0. What is 3 0? 30. Very good. Very good. 30. And next 4 0 40. And then 5 0 50.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Very good, Visha. Yes, good. Yes, thank you so much, children. You have done your identification of numbers very well. So today, without fail, you have to record an audio of which rhyme? Over rhyme, and you have to send it in the group. Okay, children? So thank you so much for your cooperation, children. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow, ma'am.
Yes, bye, Mamitra.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye, Varsha. Bye, Rudvin. Bye, Keshav. Bye, Jason. Yes, bye, Vihan. Bye, Sarah.